Hello everybody. So as you know, I've been eating a lot of Canadian food while I've been here, checking out the local cuisine, but there's one thing that managed to escape my radar, just for the time being, and that's this stuff. This is Kraft Dinner. I've been aware of Kraft Dinner for a while. I think a lot of people outside Canada probably first saw it in South Park in Terrence and Philip. It was like this thing they always used to eat. It's like, hey Terrence, let's have Kraft Dinner. For the longest time, I thought they were saying crap dinner. It was kind of like the pretend Canadian accent that they had. Mind you, looking at it, no offense to Canadians, but I'm kind of guessing it is going to be a crap dinner. I'm really not looking forward to trying it, but then I cannot complain because we English have cornered the market in cheap and nasty processed foods. But yeah, I'm basically going to cook it and eat it and tell you what it's like. Step 1. Add your pasta to the bowl. There it is. Step 2. Add hot water. 1 to 3 cups. I have no idea what a cup is, so I'm just going to add that much. That much. Some Canadians are going to have to tell me whether or not this is the correct amount to add. Appetizing. Step 3. Throw that pasta in the microwave, preferably without spilling any. Cook for 8 to 9 minutes. Step 3. Well, step 2.5. Stop the microwave every 3 minutes to stir. Oh shit. After 8 minutes, your Kraft Dinner is cooked. Come on. Yay! Let's have Kraft Dinner. Step 4. Yeah, 4. Add your flavour sachet. Very delicious. Ooh. Stir vigorously to make your cheesy Kraft Dinner sauce. And voila! Your Kraft Dinner, the truest, most gourmet food of Canadian cuisine, is ready. Well, there's no time like the present. What's it like? I don't know how to feel about this. I mean, it's definitely macaroni and cheese, not as I would know it. It's like crushing a packet of Wotsits over some macaroni. Yeah, looks edible, I suppose. I don't know what I expected, really. So, Kraft Dinner. I've embraced my inner Terrence and Philip. I suppose I better eat the rest of this now. I won't force you guys to watch that though.
20 minutes later.
Update. I have eaten the Kraft Dinner. Meh.
You are such a dick, Scott.
You're a dick.
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 The two of you are the most annoying dicks in Canada.